Hey there, Canva users. First, let's create a new design. Click on Create a Design and choose the YouTube thumbnail template. Now, let's add a shape to serve as our text background. Go to the Elements menu and drag a square onto your canvas. Let's make it black and resize it to be large enough to accommodate our text. Click on the Text menu and add a heading. Modify the text and write Mars. Change the font to Anton. Adjust the size to fit within the square shape. Resize the shape to provide proper balanced padding from all sides. Select both the shape and the text. Click on the Position button at the top menu and align them middle and center. Download the image page 1. Once downloaded, upload to project. Add a new page to your project and add the uploaded image. Select the image and click on the Edit Image menu. Choose the Remove Background option to make the text transparent. Crop the image to its boundaries from all sides. Go to the Photos menu and add the photo you want to fill the text with. Change its position to backward. Adjust the text image over the background image to expose the desired parts. Crop the background image to the boundary of your text image. Change the page color to black. Crop the background image further to hide it properly. Enlarge the text image to cover the page. Download the current page, page number 2. Upload the downloaded image back to your project. Create a new page. Add the latest uploaded image. Remove the background from the text image again. Change the page color to white. Add a background image and set it to background. And there you have it. You've successfully filled text with an image in Canva. This technique can add a unique and eye-catching element to your designs. Feel free to experiment with different fonts, shapes, and images to create your own masterpieces.